my role was Noble Gas Family. The format is a bragging letter. And the audience, I said all other families, but it was really mainly the alkali metals. So we, the heads of the Noble Gases United, declare our superiority to all other families and groups of the periodic table. We as gases together, helium, neon, argon, krypton, and xenon and radon, do hereby proclaim ourselves as leaders of the periodic table in the world. Like some of these savage-like families, we noble gases know how to keep it to ourselves. We will not violate our principles and go out reacting to every other element lest the situation be dire. As known by all throughout the universe, the noble gases are independent and our outer shell of valence electrons is full, leaving little room for interaction with others. We've learned to provide for ourselves. We proclaim Group 18 as our territory, and for anyone who dares to question why such an important family would be furthest on the periodic table, there's the saying as old as time, save the best for last. We title ourselves as the most useful. We practically save lives on an everyday basis. Helium and oxygen are used in air tanks for divers to prevent oxygen poisoning, and we also replaced hydrogen in blimps and balloons after its enhanced flammability became apparent. We were once named Group 0 of the periodic table. The peasants that are recognized as the other families of the table counted us out. They said we had a valence of 0 and that we couldn't combine to create new compounds. As we now know, they were sadly mistaken. We are rare and special, but we are...
One second. Jake, do I need to take that from you? You're like literally playing with a stuffed animal during a presentation? Grow up, sir. Sorry.
We are rare and special, but we are creditable with supporting the life of planet Earth. Argon is the third most abundant gas in the atmosphere aside from those barbarian gases, nitrogen and oxygen. We are found only in very small amounts on the Earth, and this is just another way of showing how rare we are. The less common, the more valuable, and we are the most valuable. As for the inferior alkali metals, you scavengers are highly reactive. You go around spreading and sharing electrons with other elements, dispersing yourselves into the world just like the plague. You have one sad electron in your outer shell, meaning you have to depend on others and are too weak to be full on your own. Some of the elements in your family cause explosions due to being with water. To be honest, this is sad and utterly pathetic. We superior noble gases suggest you get your lives together. You alkaline metals may be shiny on the outside, but your value on the inside is as dull and boring as the corroded concrete on the earth. You may reject our supremacy, but we reign over the periodic table with an iron fist. We will not stand for your intolerable behavior. You blasphemous creatures don't even occur freely in nature. You are science experiments, mere test tube babies. We will demolish any other family that dares to stand in our way because we are the supremes, we are the noble gases.